Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Abdul Hamid. Thank you so much for watching my videos. In this video, I'll share how I can learn English without any stage. So this video is very important for those types of people who are still now struggling to speak English. Please stay with HAMID'S motive until finish, because in this videos I'll share some tips. These tips will be effective for you, or you can take some messages from this video that will help you for improving your English. In this video, I'll share one technique. If you follow this technique, it will be helpful for you, and I will assure you, or I'll give you guarantee, if you follow these tricks you will be fluent speaker within 10 or the 11 days. According to the BBC, I want to share these tricks in front of you. This tricks is jam. It's not jam. Jam means JAM. Jam means just a minute. In this video, I'll share jam into 3 parts. Part 1, part 2 and part 3. Part 1 we fixed for 1 minute, part 2 we also fixed for 1 minute, and part 2 we also fixed 1 minute also. Equal parts give 1 minute also equally. First part, suppose we want to select a random topic which we can feel easy to speak. Suppose I can speak easily about my body or my village or my city or etc. Or we can feel easy to speak English in our favorite hobby also. So first time you have to select a topic. You have to select topic. First time you have to say this topic first 1 minute without any preparation. Then you have to note down. First time you have noticed your beautiful city and you have noticed something, and you go through the second part. In this part you try to skip which things you have already say in first part, and these tricks also follow, and try to finish the last part. Suppose I want to give an example and we want to dive in practice. From random topic, I select one topic without any preparation. I select about my city. And what's the question? Question is describe about your cities. Suppose I want to talk 1 minute about this city. Start. Bangladesh is a diverse country, so there are a lot of cities in here. Some cities are small or some cities are big. From these cities, every city has a special characteristics. Some cities full of the ocean, some cities has beautiful architecture, or some cities full of the natural beauty. From these types of cities, I want to select one city which is our capital city, and this is the Dhaka city, and it's not it has not natural beauty. It's full of the modern architecture, maybe renowned architectures worked for these types of building. Suppose I have talked 1 minute about this topic. Which topic? About my city. So try to skip which I have already say about this city, and go to the second part and try to speak 1 minute same topic. So start. There are a lot of facilities available in Dhaka city: medical facility, education facilities, or the science facilities also. So if anyone face any problem, they have to come in Dhaka city and take these types of facilities, and communication facilities also increase in our Dhaka city. Beside this, in our Dhaka city there are some lakes, and there are also some parks for the people recreation. Suppose you have to say 1 minute in second part same topic, and go to the third part and start. In Dhaka city there are also historical buildings such as Lal Bagh Kella, Ahsan Monjils, and our National Museum also. And with these buildings we know the history, and if anyone want to know, or some researcher came here to research these types of building, that's all about our city. So follow this topic and improve your English level. See you again with another video.